The alternate row colour option is a great way to add a splash of colour to your accounts, and it makes your lists easier to read. Let's have a look at how you set that up within the software. Before changing the colour, if we go into Customers, you'll see that the row colour alternates between white and a very pale grey colour. But you can change this. To do this, open the Tools menu, click Options, and if you're prompted to close any of the windows that are open, just click Yes. You then click the Colours tab at the top. All of the ledgers are then listed in the alternate row colour area. By default, they'll all be set to a very light grey, and we can change those colours if required. To make sure that the colours are applied, you need to make sure that the Ignore Custom Colours option isn't selected, so there should be no tick in the box. And then if we click on the colour picker for customers, we can then choose a colour from the list. From experience, you'll find the paler colours tend to work best. You can change it at any time, so don't be worried to experiment with this. We're just going to choose one of the pale yellow colours at the top. If we then click OK again, and then go back to Customers, you'll see the effect it has. One quick tip to mention if you're using the Colours option is if we go back into Tools and Options, click Yes, and the Colours tab, and if we click the colour picker icon for customers again, you might notice that the default colour is black in the bottom left hand corner, so that's selected by default. If you were to leave it to that and click OK, you'll see that when the colour is applied, we get black text on a black background, which isn't great. If we just click OK, and then go back into Customers, we can then see what the effect looks like. So try not to get caught out by that one. Let's go back into Tools, Options, go back to the Colours tab, and we'll change it back to something sensible. We'll choose one of the paler colours from the top row, so we'll choose the green, click OK again, then go back into Customers, and as you can see, that's a lot better than the black. Each ledger has its own colour setting, so you can play with it as much as you want to. The settings are unique to your PC as well, so if you do work with your colleagues on Sage, you're not applying your preferences colour-wise to what they see in Sage. So have a play with it, and if you don't like it, you can always switch it off. If you want to switch it off, you just go back into Tools, navigate through the same steps, back into the Colours tab, and then you can select the Ignore Custom Colours checkbox. You then just click OK, back into Customers, and the colour's now been removed.
If you found this article in the video helpful, it couldn't be easier to let us know. Simply scroll down to the bottom and then click Yes.